Hello, kindergartners. So today is Wednesday and we are on Chapter 3, Lesson 5. Here it says model 7 objects. Show one more object. How many are there now? So here's what I would like you to do. Please make 7 circles and write your numbers inside of them. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it said one more. What number is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we make an 8 in kindergarten. Our poem goes like this. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. So first we make an S. We always start at the top of our letters and numbers. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. And there's 8. We'll be practicing that a lot. The directions read, place counters as shown. Okay, so for this lesson, you are going to need your counters so you can pause and go get them. And then it says place them as shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are my 8 counters. Now we're going to trace the number 8. You start at the blue dot and you make that S. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more than 5 is 8? So we know that top frame, that's a 5 frame and it's all filled up, so we know that's 5. But it's 5 and how many more? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's our 5. And how many more on the bottom? 1, 2, 3. So it's 5 reds and 3 more to make 8. Down here, please draw your counters and write your numbers in them so you can practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we have it. Finish that. You can pause the video while you're finishing and then meet me on this page when you're done. I'm going to put some counters in to make 8 and then we're going to decide how many were red and how many were yellow. But first, let's trace our 8. Start at the blue dot. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. All right, I'm going to put some in. What am I going to do? How am I going to do it? Ooh, there we go. Let's make sure I made 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. How many were red? How many in the 10 frame are red? Remember, we don't count this one. This is just telling us. It's saying, hey, how many are red? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 were red. And this over here is saying, well, how many were yellow in your 10 frame? Just 1. 1 yellow. All right, now I'm going to change it. I flipped one over But how many do I still have? Yes, I still have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But now how many are red? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are red. So in the second one, 6 are red. Down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. How many are yellow in our tin frame? 1, 2. Round and back on a railroad track. 2, 2. So 7 and 1 equals 8, and 6 and 2 equals 8. We're still making 8, it's just different ways to do it. Oh, I like this one. Check that out. How many do I have all together? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 altogether. But how many are red? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are red. Down and across, and down some more. That makes the number 4. And how many are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, 4 are yellow. I like doubles like that. 4 red and 4 yellow make how many altogether? 8. We're still making 8. It's just different ways to make it. Okay, let's check this one out. How many do I have in my 10 frame? We always fill up the 5 frame first and then start from over here. So let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have 8. How many red ones in my 10 frame? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I bet you can do that one without counting. You just look at it and say, oh, I know, that's 3. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Let's count the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 yellows. So let's read the bottom one now. 3 red and 5 yellow. Or how many altogether? 8. Yes, 8 altogether. Great job, kindergartners. Okay. Let's look at all these different colored balls. It says Dave sorted sets of balls by color. Count the balls in each set. Which sets show 8 balls? Circle those sets. So you're going to have to count each set, and if there are 8, you're going to circle them. In the bottom part, draw to show what you know about the number 8. So here's an 8. Draw 8 of something over here. Maybe you want to make 8 balls like that and color them. Maybe you want to make 8 spiders or 8 apples. Whatever you'd like to do, just make 8 of them. Over here, this one you're going to need your counters and your crayons. So in your crayon box, you're going to get a red and a yellow. So one side of counter of markers, you will color them red. And then the other side, you will color yellow. You do not need to color in your 10 frame. So when you're done doing that part, you put your crayons away and you won't need them. Because up here, just like we did on the last ones, we take them, we shake them. Oh, I dropped one. And then I place them in the 10 frame. Always start from the beginning. So I think I'll put my red ones on first. And then I fill up my 5 frame. And then I start at the beginning of the bottom 5 frame. So you're going to do that for 1, 2, 3, 4 shakes, okay? And then you can show me when you're finished what it looks like. I'm excited to see. I bet they'll all be different. On this last page, the directions read, trace the number. What is that number? 8. Let's say our poem. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. All right. Trace the number. How many more counters would you place in the 10 frame to model a way to make 8? So let's see, how many counters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 counters, but we need 8. So if I put another counter on, remember I always fill up my 5 frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 8 yet? No, let's put another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 8 yet? Nope. Ooh, it's flying counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, not yet. Is that another one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we have it. There we have 8. So then you just take them off one at a time and trace them. And now, in that 10 frame, we have 8 counters altogether. They gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, and we made 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. The bottom one, count and write the number, count and write the number. And then you will circle the number that's greater. Remember, greater means grande, greater means bigger. So which one's greater? Stop signs, count and write the number. All right, then take pictures and send them to me. Your pages, I can't wait to see them. You all have been doing such amazing work. All right, have fun with math, kindergarten.